Let me go across to my colleague Avni, who's joining me live from the Mumbai newsroom, getting us those updates there. Avni, despite assurance that has been coming in from the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, even the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, very categorically saying that the depositors need not worry. There is a lot of confusion. There's a lot of questions that the depositors have at this point. Can you help us break down those questions, what those important questions are that the depositors would want to know right now?
Well, that's right. Depositors have been lining up outside bank branches. I think the bigger issue is the fact that they have access only to 50,000 rupees during this moratorium period. So obviously, a lot of them are finding it difficult to sort of, withdraw money for their day-to-day expenses. It's all locked up. But here are some of the big questions that we are answering for you here with regard to deposits and what happens to deposits. So that's the first question here. Let's tell you what happens to your deposits in this moratorium period. Your deposits will be locked up. The only access you will have is 50,000 rupees during this moratorium period. That is as far as your deposits are concerned. So even if it's your fixed deposit, any other kind of account that you have with Yes Bank, you will be allowed to withdraw only 50,000 rupees per depositor. In fact, the withdrawal limit, of course, is 50,000 rupees that has been imposed at this point in time. But under special conditions, you can withdraw up to 5 lakh rupees. That includes any kind of medical emergencies or any unforeseen eventuality which you have to explain to the bank, and you will be allowed to take out up to 5 lakh rupees. The fixed deposit also withdrawal includes the 50,000 cap. So that is, of course, as far as your deposits are concerned, of course, and ATMs are not working at this point in time. So the withdrawals can only be made through checks. A lot of ATMs have in fact run out of cash right now because everybody is rushing to withdraw that 50,000 rupees. So that's the issue as far as deposits are concerned with Yes Bank.
All right, Avni, but also another important question that the depositors have right now is what happens if they have a loan with Yes Bank? So what are the conditions that are put forth if they want to understand to the loan that they've put in Yes Bank?
So essentially, as far as loans are concerned, loans to Yes Bank have to be paid as as per schedule. So if you have any kind of an EMI, that will continue as per the schedule per month, whatever it is that you owe the bank. So repayment process will continue as per schedule. That's the first important thing that you need to know in terms of over the next 1 month while this moratorium is in place. The outstanding amount up to 50,000 rupees will be deducted from the account. If a loan is 50,000 rupees, you can't withdraw any money at all because that cap that you have, that limit of 50,000, that will first go towards repaying the loan amount, and only then whatever is balance will you actually be able to withdraw. So if it's 50,000 rupees, you won't be able to withdraw anything. If your loan amount is 40,000 rupees, the loan amount of 40,000 will be paid off and you will only be able to withdraw 10,000 rupees. So essentially, it's being adjusted with what you can actually withdraw. You will have to continue to pay all of your EMIs to the bank. So that is, of course, what you need to remember as far as your loans are concerned, Apurva.
All right, Avni, many thanks for joining us and helping us understand those details. And these are important questions that the depositors have at this point.